Gotta locate these studs now. I'm gonna use a stud finder here. And you put it up against the wall, press the button on the side, and make sure this green light's on. Then you push it along the wall. And did you see that? You saw the red start coming up there. See, there's a red there. You move it over closer, and then it goes up to green. That means that's the edge of the stud going over that way. So the stud is right there. If I'm sliding to the right like this, and I hit the green, that means that's where the edge is, because I'm now finding a solid piece of structure in the wall. That's what I'm hitting, that edge. See how the red light is there, and then it goes up to the top? That's where the edge is. Okay, so from there over this way is where those two studs are. Okay, now I got to slide it this way. So I know that there. Okay, so to recalibrate it, you take it off the wall, press the button, the green light's on, start sliding it this way. Here comes the red. Okay, there's the green right there, and I'm sliding it from the right to the left. So once I get to there, that tells me that's where the edge of the stud is, from there over to the left. So the stud is about right there. Okay, and to check that, I can put it over here, calibrate it, come on over this way. There's the red, and see the green is hitting right there. And check that again. There's about the edge of it right in there. See that? That's where the stud is. I'm just going to put just a little mark there. I can wipe that off. That's the center of the stud. Okay?